Sele iminyaka elishumi sisela oko elilifu limnyama lokubulawa ngokungenalusini kwabasebenzi mgodini eMarikana lakubungela uMzantsi Afrika. Ikhamera zazishicilela ngethuba abasebenzi bedutyulwa bebulawa ngamapolisa. Umsebenzi wasemgodini uJackson Lihupa wadutyulwa amatyila le-11. Ukusweleka kwakhe kwashiya abantwana bakhe abasithandathu bengenadada.
Sometimes noma sincokola sihleli, not saying that he didn't love abanye abantwana bakhe, but he would just say nje ukuthi anginandaba nabafana noba ngingalala ehlathini noba ini, but not umntanami oyintombazana.
Usakhumbula nosuku wayesiva indaba zokushiywa ngutata wakhe.
I was not told by my mother. Bekuyifamily, umuntu ongitshela, family member wangihlalisa phansi, and then wangitshela ukuthi njengoba silana sizise umphanga ukuthi utata akho akasekho emhlabeni.
Kufuphi nalapha elinye ityentyana laphulukana notata walo nowadutyulwa amatyeli amabini.
He will call regularly, check up on me, all that stuff. You know, just wanted to know how I am, saying that he's going to be back during holidays, all the stuff, asking me what sport I do and everything. You know, I miss those calls, you know, really miss those calls. So he was a family man. He wouldn't want anything bad to happen to someone.
Usakhumbula nosuku exelelwa indaba zokusweleka kwatata wakhe.
What's going on? She said, it has been said that my dad is no more. Seeing how everyone was so down, everyone was crying and everything, hearing the cries and everything, you know, it made me realize that maybe it's true. I don't want to lie. I think that's the day where I lost a part of me, which I don't think I'll ever get back.
Zininzi intsapho zisafuna ubulungisa, kodwa abantwana bathi ukubanjwa kwabantu ababulala abazali babo kungabancedisa ekuphuleni kwamanxeba abo.